In the past few minutes, I just got a copy of the indictment against this man. It's 7 pages long, and it goes into detail about his history with al-Qaeda. It says Suleiman Abu Ghaith was a member of the terrorist group before and after the September 11th attacks. We're told he was also a spokesman for Osama Bin Laden. He's being held in New York right now, and he will be charged in federal court. And that has some Republicans pretty upset because they say he should be held at Guantanamo Bay and be tried by a military commission. They're also worried about missed opportunities to interrogate him.
The primary goal when you capture someone like this is to gather information. The secondary goal is to hold him accountable in a court of law.
ABC sources say Abu Ghaith has already provided key intelligence about al-Qaeda operations overseas. The Justice Department also released a statement saying, in this case, the president's national security team examined this matter and unanimously agreed that prosecution of Abu Ghaith in federal court will best protect the national security interests of the United States. He will be in court at 10 this morning to face a charge of conspiracy to kill Americans. If he is convicted, he faces up to life in prison. That's latest in the newsroom. Kelly McDermott, 7 Action News.